Welcome to our video on star anise. This unique spice is known for its distinct star shape and licorice-like flavor. But did you know that it also has numerous health benefits? In this video, we'll explore the top health benefits and culinary uses of star anise. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Star anise has powerful antioxidant properties that can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains compounds that have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, making it useful for treating various infections and reducing inflammation in the body. Now, let's move on to the culinary uses. Star anise is a staple ingredient in Chinese and Vietnamese cuisines, where it is often used to flavor soups, stews, and braised dishes. It pairs well with savory ingredients like meat and vegetables, as well as sweet ingredients like fruits and desserts. You can also use star anise to make a delicious and aromatic tea. Simply steep a few pods in hot water for a few minutes and enjoy the fragrant and flavorful beverage. When purchasing star anise, be sure to choose organic, high-quality pods to ensure that you're getting the best flavor and health benefits. You can find star anise at most grocery stores and online retailers. That's it for our video on star anise. We hope you've learned something new about this versatile spice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.